Hey guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have my January Stitch Fix unboxing for you. I am kind of tucked away in a little corner of my house. My kids are making gingerbread houses, and I kind of lost all of my areas today. Here we go. It looks like maybe some denim, some grays, maybe some blues. Looks like all blues and grays actually. So I know most of you are already familiar with Stitch Fix. If not, it is a subscription clothing company where you get a stylist to stylist your clothes for you, sends you 5 items, and then you try on at home and send back what you don't want, pay for what you do want. I have been doing Stitch Fix for like 4 years and really like it. You're really not out anything because you can just send back what you don't want, and I have gotten some really good quality classic items in my boxes that I wear over and over. I'm going to read this letter to you. It says, "Hello Candace, and welcome back to another fantastic fix day. My name is Megan and I am excited to be styling you for this fix. I was thrilled to see that you loved the lightweight style of the pullover in your previous fix, as well as the fun crisscross detail. So I was inspired to snag you a Crossback performance top for a lightweight and cozy lounge look that you can easily pair with this Free People Work It Out jogger as you spend a cozy day at home with your family, or with jeans and sneakers for running errands. I heard your thoughts from your video on not loving boyfriend jeans. Finally, I hope I don't get boyfriend jeans again. Anyways, I will have that preference removed from your profile. Instead, I was happy to grab you these Mason & Bell skinny jeans in a versatile medium wash. Let me know what you think of this fix when you check out. All the best, Megan." So that's awesome. All right, so I tried to back up a little bit. I don't have a lot of space right here, but I wanted you guys to be able to see the clothing a little bit better. Anyway, so the first thing we have is this, I'm sorry, Gaiam. I know I'm butchering that word. Kind of a longer t-shirt material casual top with a crisscross backing. And this top, I will put the prices in the on the screen as I'm trying on. This top is the Emma Crossback Performance Top. It is $44. And then we'll see. We're gonna just go in order of whatever. This must be the Pink Clover Kinley color block long sleeve, and it is also $44. I will hold that up for you, but I'll also try it on and have the prices with the try on. It's cute, really lightweight. I wasn't sure that I would like this, but oh my goodness. I mean, it is super cozy, soft top. And then next we have this jacket that is, I don't know, I'm not sure about the jacket. It is a Liana stretch twill cargo jacket. It is $88. And the only reason why I say I may not like it is it feels heavy, but it's cute. This is from Market and Spruce. And then we have the Free People. It's a Work It Out jogger in a size small. And it is $68. They are $68. And I do like joggers. They're just comfortable. I'm a pretty casual person for the most part, so we'll see. The material is very comfy and soft. I'm sorry, I hope you guys cannot hear all the noise going on in my kitchen right now, but I hope the kids are having fun. The last item that we have, the last item that we have is this Mason & Bell Scylla skinny jean. I have not had Mason & Bell before. I've had several different brands from Stitch Fix, and I do not believe I've had that brand. Not in jeans anyways. They are $58 and they are a size 4. So actually this wash would be really nice if I like them, because most of mine are really dark wash. And I have one pair of really light jeans, but they are kind of falling apart. So it'd be nice to have a different color All right, that's it for what is inside this box. I'm going to go try these on for you real quick and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with the first outfit. This was the pink clover, Kinley color block, long sleeve, super well made, super comfortable, lightweight, and as far as the comfort goes, I love it. I am not, something's poking me here, I'm sorry. I'm not 100% sold on the color block. Just something I haven't really worn before, so I'm not used to it. If you could just kind of let me know what you think. I'm here with the Mason Bell Scylla skinny jeans in Indigo, size 4. They are $58, which I think is a good price for a good pair of jeans. I have never had this brand, but the comfort and fit, everything is really nice. The wash on the Indigo jeans are a little bit lighter than the rest of the jeans I have, which is kind of nice to mix it up a little bit. That's it for this outfit, and I will be back with the next one. Let me know what you think about this. All right, you guys are gonna really have to help me out on this one because I just don't know. I always like this style, or I think I will like this style, and then I'm never sure. So if you could comment below on what you think on like the fit and style of this on me, that would be awesome. This is the 41 Hawthorne Liana Stretch Twill Cargo Jacket. This is pretty lightweight. When I pulled it out, I thought it felt pretty bulky, but it's really not. But I don't know. There we go. Okay, so anyways, just comment down below and let me know what you think of this jacket. All right, this is the Gaiam Emma Crossback Performance Top in gray, size medium. It is $44. It is top lightweight. I could see me wearing this a lot just because it's comfortable. All right, these are the Free the People Work It Out joggers, dark gray, $68. They sent me a size small. I usually would buy a size medium in joggers, and these do feel really tight. I don't know if they're just supposed to kind of be tight, but they're not really comfortable that way. So it has some, I don't know if you can see this. It has some kind of detail down all the way down the leg, and it kind of goes at a diagonal, not even straight down, and I'm not sure that I like that. But all right, guys, I am back with the Gaiam Emma Crossback Performance Top. I just want to try it on with the jeans because I wasn't sure about it with the joggers. So here it is again with the jeans, and I don't know if I showed you the back last time. So just let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so that is the end of this try on. I am going to really quickly go through like the total box price and the discount. And then that will be it. So the total price for all 5 items in this box would be $302. The buy it all discount, which is 25%, would take $75.50 off, bringing the total to $226.50. I also have a style pass, so I don't pay a styling fee, so that will not come off of this box. So the total for all of these items would be $226.50. So just leave me a comment down below on what items you think I should keep or what I should send back. I will not be keeping this entire box. So any input is greatly appreciated. And if you would like to see future videos from me of unboxing, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.